Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can export a specific layer of your image in the Pixlr photo editor. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see we're in the Pixlr photo editor and we're working on that example image here. Just for the sake of this tutorial, let me add also a second layer to that project. As you can see, it currently features only one image layer here to the right. So let me add, let's say, for example, a text layer by clicking into this plus button, by selecting text, and by entering an example text here. So just for demonstration purposes. So now it features two layers. Now if you'd like, for example, export and save on your device, let's say in JPEG and PG file format, only the background layer without any additional layers here on top, you may do the following, guys. Click into File in the top left corner, make sure that the layer is selected here on the right hand side, and hover your mouse over export and select quick export layer as PNG. After that, navigate to the location on your device, give it a name like background or the specific layer, save it, and there you go. After that, the given layer will be saved. So if I show you the image as an example, there you go. So that's the layer without any additional layers above, like, or on top of it, like the text layer. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.